I'm going to show you how to take a door handle off a Mercedes C300. It'll be the same for most Mercedes and cars today. We've already removed this one out. I'll show you how to remove this one. A good quality body shop will remove the handles and the moldings before they do painting. This is typical of non-insurance company recommended body shops who try to cut corners, save the insurance company money. So should never use an insurance company recommended body shop in general. And just open the door, take the little rubber grommet off. Inside there is a little screw. You can't see it. And you use a T20 star head. T20 star head approximately, could vary, and put it in there and turn. Basically loosen that screw in there. We're not taking the screw out, we're just loosening it. As that gets loose, this piece will come out. You have to move it around a little bit. Once that comes out, we slide the handle back, and there it is. Now we can do the body work and do paint work. It's as simple as that. And to put it back is the same. Just reverse everything. Put it in, slide it back, put this back on the end cap, and tighten it up. That's how you remove a door handle.